Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying codec, frame rate, and resolution so your edits remain consistent. Back up the original immediately and open the duplicate in an editor or frame extractor. Once loaded, scrub to the watermark segment and export a short sample clip or sequence of frames around the watermark for testing. This lets you experiment without risking the whole file. Make sure to note timestamps and any motion vectors if your tool exposes them. You now build a mask and attach it to a motion tracker so the mask follows the watermark precisely. Track forward and backward until the mask stays locked. Correct any drift with additional keyframes. Once tracked, feather the mask edges and sample surrounding pixels or a nearby clean patch to fill the area. Use temporal smoothing to blend across frames. This prevents popping. If using patching, vary source patches to avoid repeating patterns that reveal edits. You finish by rendering a test segment at full resolution to catch artifacts like ghosting or color shifts. If you see issues, refine mask feather, adjust temporal smoothing, or swap source patches until motion looks natural. Once satisfied, render the entire timeline using the original codec and frame rate to preserve quality. Troubleshooting tip: if tracking drifts on complex motion, manually add keyframes every 2 to 5 seconds and retune it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.